Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video tutorial on the saxophone. I'll be going over how to blow into the instrument, and this will be a tutorial for making sounds. So how to blow into the instrument, how to blow into the saxophone, a full tutorial for making sounds. Let's get right into the video. So first and foremost, I want you to start off by just working with the reed and the mouthpiece, okay? Now this right here, this little twisty piece is called the ligature. You want to loosen it, okay? I have my reed already on there. I'm going to be removing it, okay? You want to wet your reed. So as you're getting your saxophone set up and taken out of the case, you want to place your reed in your mouth. And basically you want to just let it soak on your tongue. Just like that, okay? And that will wet the reed. Then you want to take the reed, you want to place it on the mouthpiece, okay? Now the flat part of the reed, not the part that goes curved, but the flat part is going to go touch the mouthpiece. You want it to be flat with the mouthpiece, okay? Then you're going to take your ligature, and you're going to place your ligature over it, over the reed and the mouthpiece together, just like this, okay? Very simple. And your ligature is going to hold it in place, okay? So I'm going to move this down. I'm going to loosen it up, and you want that ligature to go over the reed that is sort of not carved out, okay? Now, before you tighten up your ligature, you want to make sure your reed is basically in line, okay, with the mouthpiece. I'll show you in a moment. I'm just setting mine up right here. So your reed should be in line with the mouthpiece. So you can see right here, my reed is right at the tip of my mouthpiece. It's not over and it's not under, it's right at the tip right there. Once it's in place, you want to tighten up your ligature, okay, to make sure that it is set in place. Now, there are a few different ways to move your lips to make sounds with the saxophone. It's called embouchure, okay? Now, I'm going to show you the easiest way. There's a couple of variations, but I'll show you the easiest way. Lick your lips. Make sure your reed is still decently wet, and when you play it, it's going to continue getting wet, but make sure it's still wet at the beginning, okay? Oop, I almost dropped it. That was close. Whoop! Well, let's try to get whoop! Just kidding. That wasn't on purpose. That was by accident, but now we're whoop! I have reflexes like a tiger, let's face it. All right, anyways, back to business over here. Essentially, wet your lips, curl your upper lip slightly over your top teeth, curl your lower lip over your bottom teeth, like this, okay? And then you're gonna basically lightly bite down on the reed and the mouthpiece, and then blow, just like this. So listen closely. That's the sound you're going for, give or take. Now practice with that for a few minutes. Okay, once you have that down, you can actually take your mouthpiece and put it on the neck of the saxophone, just like that, okay? And you can hear what it sounds like in that situation. I'm gonna try one more time. Okay, once you have that down, guess what? You get your saxophone next, and you can, whatever type of sax it is, this is an alto sax, whatever type of sax it is, you put your mouthpiece, your neck on there, actually, the neck of the saxophone on there, and you can hear what it sounds like once again. And that's basically it. That is how to make notes, how to make sounds on a saxophone, how to make notes, really, you're making notes, but how to make sounds on a saxophone, how to blow into the instrument, a tutorial for making the sounds. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And sorry, before I finish, it isn't that hard. I know it seems hard, but if you practice for like 10-15 minutes, you'll probably be able to make some decent sounds with very few squeaks. And if you're struggling, you know, loosen your lips, tighten your lips, try and, you know, vary the tightness of your lips, and then also maybe make sure your reed is not cracked or chipped or missing any pieces, and make sure your reed is wet. If you've done those things, then it's just a matter of practice. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.